What the dog doing?
I'm sorry, Chewie.
I'm sorry, Ed.
Thought you could outsmart the old Bluester, huh? I don't think so. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ha! In your face!
Goodbye.
No wonder we couldn't find you.
Awesome.
Chewie!
What the dog doing? Now this I can handle.
Well, okay, Cujo, in you go. You're looking for something? You guys watch the dog.
We will, from way up here. This is why I'm a cat. Go home.
What the dog doing?
Is your real dog, the one you sent to attack me?
Abby. So you think you're so smart, but you can't even figure out the obvious answer when it's staring you in the face! My dog didn't eat your homework! Anything yummier than good homework! It's the girl who did it!
Oh. What kind of dog is that?
That's no dog. It's Valerie. She's a werepoodle.
What the dog doing? Cool! I have dog vision! Tomorrow's your special day. The day you get fixed.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Idle! The twerp parents are home. No way!
He can talk?
You can understand me? Duh, I speak dog. It's my native tongue. I'm just a jerk. Oh my gosh! I am not! I wish I was... Oh,
I'm happily married.
Doidle! There you are! Now let's get you fixed!
What the dog doing?
Now,
A dog?
what's he doing here?
Hey! Could you give a dog a little warning?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I actually heard you talking to me. You talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Where are my manners? I am Spike. I thought cats didn't like water.
But frankly, Eliza, she did need a bath. Come on! Oh, what happened?
What the dog doing?
Bad boy.
Bratty. Not Bratty, you flea motel. Brandy. Brandy Harrington. Thought not. I'm going to a 5-star spa. To be pampered and spoiled. Which, come to think of it, is sort of my life anyway.